I'm Ian Hecox, a mediocre comedian and a terrible cook. I'm off to learn from the best kind of teacher there is, Nanas. Today, I'm joining Dorothea in the kitchen, who's sharing one of her favorite seafood recipes.
Hi,
Dorothea.
Yes, nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you. This is Sunday at Nana's. So, Dorothea, what are we making today?
We are making my fabulous clam dressing.
Clam dressing?
Clam dressing, clam stuffing.
So like a Thanksgiving stuffing, but with clams.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay? But before we get to work, you're missing something, Ian.
What am I missing?
You're missing an apron
Oh,
and a chef's hat.
Oh,
Okay?
yeah. It matches.
So we're gonna get this on you. All right, here we go.
I'm not coordinated.
That's okay, I'm gonna help you out here. So I'm putting my hat on.
You just had this at the ready.
Like they say, go big or go home.
Right.
Let's get into it now because we gotta make this dish. All right, so let's start with the celery.
All right, and then just dun, dun, dun,
Yes,
dun, dun.
and while you're doing that, I'm gonna put the butter in the pan because I will be sauteing everything that you chop, okay?
Oh, okay.
So you hear that sizzle?
Yeah.
Yummy. So it's sizzling now, and I'll just get to move it around. Now I'm gonna get the onion, and I don't wanna dice the onion as well.
Got it.
Yeah, so how you feel doing this right now? Like,
Well, I feel like I'm about to cry.
yeah, there we go.
All right.
Yes, now you're in the groove. You're in the groove. Drop it in, and I'll keep on stirring.
Great.
Yes, okay.
That's a lot of butter.
Yeah, but you know what? The butter is what gives it the flavor for the stuffing.
So do you trust your granddaughter with the knife yet?
Oh, no. Their main thing is just helping and feeling like, you know, a big boy and a big girl. So hopefully when they get older, they would be able to remember cooking with me,
Right.
just like I remember cooking with my grandmother.
Okay, so
Yeah,
you...
so that's how I started. So, and just a couple of those mushrooms.
Okay, great. I'm becoming the chop
Yeah,
master.
you're the chop master, and especially with the hat on.
Just drop them in?
There it is, drop them in, okay. See, it's nothing burning, it's just
Yeah.
all sauteing because it's down low. Why don't you stir a little bit?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah, how about that?
The chop master has
The chop
become
master
the
is it.
stir master.
So now it's time to pour this into our breadcrumbs.
I recognize that.
Yes,
Stuffing.
yes. So now let's get to the really good part.
Okay.
The clams.
The clams!
The clams! So let's take our clams.
Just the juice and everything.
Everything, because
Okay.
the juice is what's gonna really absorb in the breadcrumbs. Flavor.
Okay.
Alrighty, so.
We want flavor.
We want flavor. Okay, so you see what I'm doing now?
Yep.
I'm just literally just mixing it. What we want to do now is start getting some of the herbs in,
Okay.
the spices. That's the tarragon.
Tarragon.
Yeah. Yes.
Just shake that in there. And half a teaspoon for all these?
Yes,
Well,
yes.
that's easy.
Yeah, that's easy. Okay.
That's definitely sage.
Yeah, smells good.
Yeah.
That's the thyme. Yeah.
This little guy right here.
Fennel. The herbs alone, it's like you can just eat the herbs. You know what I mean?
I don't know about that. Okay.
So that's just black pepper. Then we have parsley.
This is an easy recipe.
That's very
Everything's
easy.
just the same
yeah,
measurement.
it's very easy.
Kosher salt. This kind of looks like thick Gatorade.
That's actually chicken stock.
Oh, okay.
So what I would like you to do
Yeah.
is to slowly pour it while I stir.
Okay.
So
got
we're gonna
it.
have like this thing going on.
Okay.
Like the pour, stir, pour, stir. So
Okay.
all right, you got it?
Drizzling.
Yeah, it's because we don't want to make it soggy. We want to make it moist. So what we can do is now we can put it in the pan.
At what point are you gonna trust your granddaughter to sort of do this on her own?
I don't think it would actually take my granddaughter a long time because she's very intelligent. She listens, she watches, she learns.
That's
And I have a
awesome.
grandson too. Let's not
Okay.
leave him out. Let's level
Ooh.
that a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
And I'm gonna do the little drizzle.
Okay.
Okay, so now it's time to cover it.
Awesome.
Alrighty. And that's cooking maybe about 25 to 30 minutes.
That.
Teamwork, teamwork,
All right.
teamwork.
Put it in
Yeah.
there.
Teamwork.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
And now we play the waiting game. All right, so we have our final stuffing here. It's ready to
Yes.
go, but I think we're missing one thing.
I think we're psychic.
We're both thinking wine.
We're both thinking wine.
Say when.
Okay, when?
All right.
All right.
And it's early in the morning for me,
Roll this
so
around.
I'll go a little
Yeah. Okay, so here we go.
light. All right.
All righty.
Make sure I get some clam in there.
Yeah. Oh, you'll have that in every bite.
Oh yeah? All right, here we go.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And they say when you don't talk, it's good, right? There it is.
But this is like, it's really moist. I can totally taste the clam.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's a family dish for me, so I created it for my family, and the tradition goes on.
And now you pass it on to the internet.
Yeah.
Dorothea, thank you so much for introducing us to this dish. It's amazing. Thank you for the wine.
You're welcome.
Thank you for letting us into your house. And thank you guys for watching.
Thanks. Bye.